Tesla has once again raised the bar for electric SUVs. The all-new 2025 Tesla Model I is here, bringing cutting-edge technology, improved range, and even more exciting features. Is this the best SUV of 2025? Let's find out. Tesla's best-selling Model E gets a refresh for 2025, featuring a sleeker aerodynamic design, new LED lighting, and refined body lines. The front fascia now looks even more futuristic, and Tesla has introduced new color options that make this SUV stand out on the road. Step inside and you're greeted by a minimalistic yet luxurious cabin. The 15-inch touchscreen is now even more responsive, featuring the latest Tesla software update with an improved UI and new features. The yoke-style steering wheel is optional, and there's a brand new ambient lighting system for a more premium feel. The 2025 Model I still offers ample seating for 5 or 7 passengers, with more premium upholstery choices and an enhanced sound system. The panoramic glass roof remains a highlight, giving passengers an immersive experience on every drive. Now let's talk about performance. The new Tesla Model Y long range now delivers up to 350 miles, 563 km on a single charge, thanks to Tesla's latest battery innovations. The performance model takes things up a notch with a 0-60 mph or a 100 km time of just 3.5 seconds. Charging is also improved. Tesla's V4 supercharger network now allows the Model Y to charge from 10 to 8 in just 15 minutes, making road trips more convenient than ever. Tesla's full self-driving EPA's technology has received major updates, offering better lane changes, improved object detection, and hands-free highway driving. With Tesla's AI advancements, the 2025 Model Y is closer than ever to full autonomy. Safety remains a top priority. The 2025 Model I comes equipped with the latest collision avoidance system, advanced driver assist features, and a 5-star safety rating, making it one of the safest electric SUVs on the market. So, how much will the 2025 Tesla Model I cost? The base model starts at around $49,000, while the performance variant can go up to $62,000. Tesla is also expanding its global production to meet high demand, ensuring faster delivery times. The 2025 Tesla Model I is smarter, faster, and more efficient than ever before. Is this the EV you've been waiting for? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting auto content. Thanks for watching Auto World. We'll see you in the next video.